Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to add sale countdown timer in WordPress site by using XSTORE theme. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard and access the Products section. Edit an existing or create a new product. In the Product Data section, set the regular price and sale price. Click on the Schedule tab and define the sale start date and end date. Specify the sale price start time and end time, enabled with the sale price schedule. Scroll down to 8 theme product options, access the General tab, and choose your preferred countdown timer layout, single, list, or grid. Set up the product as a variable product in the Product Data section. Add attributes and ensure the Used for Variations box is checked. Navigate to Variations, edit each variation, and input regular and sale prices. Set the sale price start time and end time for each variation. Navigate to XSTORE Theme Options WooCommerce, Shop, Single Product Builder. Scroll down to the Countdown section and choose your preferred countdown timer type. Integrating countdown timer with Elementor. In the General section, set the due date and configure other settings like show counter, show days, etc. Use the XSTORE countdown timer element to position it as desired on the single product page. Further customize the countdown timer in the Style section, adjusting items gap and layout. Edit the content of the timer as needed. Explore additional options in the Advanced section to fine-tune the countdown timer's behavior.